Hello friends, welcome to the Modern Tech Tip YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit or how to rename the legend in Microsoft Excel. So if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe to watch more coming videos in the future. So here I have already made the graph, and here is the time and velocity. So the Excel automatically put the name velocity kilometer per hour as per the text written in the spreadsheet. So if you wanna rename this legend, you can rename it into two ways. So I'm going to show you both ways how to rename the legend. First, the simple method is just go to the text in the spreadsheet and rename the text. I just put the speed instead of velocity, so it will automatically change the name into speed. This is the very simple method. So there is another method. You can you can rename the name of the legend. So I'm gonna show you another method. You go to the design tab and click the select data. So click the speed. This is the name you want to rename. So click the speed kilometer per hour and click on the edit button. So in this column you can put any name you want. So I'm gonna put the velocity kilometer per hour. So I just put the name velocity kilometer per hour. So click the OK button and again click the OK button. So now you see you see here the name is still speed kilometer per hour, but now the name here it is changed to velocity kilometer per hour. So this way you can change you can put any name you want without changing the name in your spreadsheet. I'm going to show you how to edit the I'm going to show you how to put different the sign of the legend. You see now here is the line and a little bit circle. So I'm going to show you how to put different signs of the legend. So to put different signs, go to the format and go to the format selection and click the fill and line tab. Now select your graph, the main graph. So if you click this, you will select this the graph and click on the fill and line option. After you select your graph, you click on the fill and line and go to the marker. In the marker, go to the marker option. So here you will have the different options. So click you can put the automatic or you can put the none. If you put the none, there will the small circle in the line that will disappear. So you click on the built-in and you will have lots of options to select different icons. So you can put this kind of icon, or again go to the marker and go to the marker options and you can put the cross icons. So whatever option you can, there are lots of options, so you can put anything you want. I'm going to show you again how to do this. Click your graph. So when you click this, will be selected. Go to the fill and line option and click on the marker and click on the marker options. It will give you lots of options. So click on the built-in. So you will have you can change the size also, how big you want the size. You can increase the size of the legend icons, the marker options, and you will have the variety of option to put in your graph. You can put anything. You can put like triangle or anything you can put here, or you can, if you wanna fill the legend, you can just click your legend and go to the format. You should select the format option here and go to the fill. If you want to fill this legend with any color, so if you want to put the red color, you can put the red or if you want to put the green or blue, you can put any color you want. If you want to remove those colors, again go to the shape fill and click on the no fill. So this way you can outline your legend. So I'm gonna put the red outline on my legend, so the red rectangle will appear around your legend. So you can put any color. So if you want to remove those the red color outline, so you go to the shape outline and click no outline. So this way you can edit your legend whatever type you want. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Please again subscribe my channel. Have a good one. Bye.